Thinking about the word, Psalms 19:12, who can understand his errors? Cleanse thou me from secret faults. Which one among us can fully understand or comprehend all of his or her errors? They are too numerous to tell. There are sins of omission and sins of commission. Paul puts it this way, for the good that I would I do not, but the evil which I would not, that I do. We all stand guilty before God. If you think that you are perfect, that there is absolutely no sin in your life, you are gravely mistaken. King David understood that he in particular, and people in general, were incapable of understanding and realizing every time that they trespassed against God. Therefore he ended this verse with a special prayer that we should all pray. Lord, cleanse thou me from my secret faults, faults that even I do not recognize or that are hidden from my thoughts and finite mind. Thank God that he is able to forgive all of our sins, even those that are secretly concealed from our own mental comprehension.